Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So based on your suggestions, once again we have an update for Aimogen, and today we will be focusing on the chatbot. So the God mode feature of the chatbot actually was a bit extended in the latest update, and starting from today you will be able to use chatbot extensions tab, which is new and it replaces the God mode tab. So God mode was incorporated in the extensions tab as a single extension because the chatbot in Aimogen got multiple extensions, other extensions besides of God mode. So in the extensions tab you will see DALL-E image, stable diffusion image, Amazon product listing extension, Amazon product details extension, and website scraper extension. So multiple extensions will be added also next week to the plugin. So stay tuned for the upcoming updates. And now let me show you what this will mean. So I'm sure that you are familiar already with the God mode extension, which is available here. So if you want to enable the God mode extension, you need to check this checkbox. If you want to, but now I already made a video for the God mode extension. Let me show you in this video the other extensions that were added. So the DALL-E image extension, let's enable this. You will have some settings here to play with. Let's set DALL-E free, for example, and the resolution should be 1024 because DALL-E free does not support 512 resolution images. And let's save settings. So we have a DALL-E free image with the default settings in REST, and we can enable the functionality in this chatbot on the bottom of this page if we check this checkbox. So enable chatbot extensions in the chatbot preview from below. So if you check this checkbox, you will enable the extension, and also enable chatbot extensions in the globally injected chatbot. You can enable the extensions in the globally injected chatbot using this settings field. So the extensions which are checked will be enabled for the front end, back end, or both chatbot. Okay, so now let me show you how this will work. So let's say show me a nice image of a cat. As usual, cat images are preferred, and we will be having to wait a bit more because now the AI not only processes the text but also creates an image for us. So let's wait this out a bit more, and processing should not take more than 15 or 20 seconds. So here it is. Actually, yeah, it's a nice cat with DALL-E free. I will update the plugin also to make a maximum size for the created images. As you can see now, their original size is embedded and they are a bit larger than expected. Okay, but this is okay. I will make an update for the plugin to work on this also. So this is the cat image, and it is embedded here in our little chatbot. Okay, so now next let me show you the next extension. We can also use stable diffusion extension to create stable diffusion images. So let's do this right now, and we have also some settings here. So we can choose the resolution of the image and the model from stable diffusion which will be used to create the image. Show me an image of a cat. Okay, so now the same will happen. However, stable diffusion will be used instead of DALL-E right now because I deactivated the DALL-E extension and enabled the stable diffusion extension. So here it is, stable diffusion that just generated a cat for us. Ooh, hooray. Okay, now we have the Amazon product listing and Amazon product details extensions. Let's check these. We have some settings here regarding Amazon. let's save this and let's say to the chatbot, give me some details about an Asus laptop I can purchase online on Amazon, for example. Okay, and now the chatbot will also think a bit longer, as it will start querying Amazon and scrape the product details from Amazon. So we will see details about it soon appearing here. And one more thing to say is that if you want to enable HTML responses in the chatbot, you need to go to Settings tab and check this checkbox. Also, I recommend that you convert Markdown to HTML to be sure that the chatbot will work for you. So here it is. With the chatbot returned a gaming laptop with the price and also a link with our affiliate tag added to it, as you can see here in the extensions. We have affiliate tag set as admin, and the link, which is displayed here on the bottom left side of the screen, you will see that it is tagged admin, as it is an affiliate link. Okay, now this is extracted from Amazon. Now let's go and continue our journey through these multiple extensions that were added to the chatbot, and let's go to site scraping. So let's use the site scraping example extension now, and I have here this little article. Let's ask the chatbot some specific from this article. What's the name of the CEO? Because the name, where's the name? The CEO of Bumble, Lidiane Jones. So Lidiane appears only once in the entire page and only here, not in the URL, not in the title. Okay, so let's ask the chatbot details about this. What is the name of the CEO? What is the Bumbler's CEO's name? What is the Bumbler company's? Yeah, I mess up my English. Company's CEO name. CEO name. I think that it is get info from here. Okay, so let's hope that the chatbot will understand what I want to say. So what is the Bambler company's CEO? Lidiane Jones. So yeah, the chatbot actually scraped the article, processed the entire text that was returned from this article, and extracted the Lidiane Jones name, and it is actually successful to parse this article. Okay, so this is the latest update for Aimogen. You will be able to use these extensions in the chatbot. More extensions will come, like scraping RSS feeds, like sending emails, like publishing to social networks, and many more. So stay tuned to the upcoming updates for the Aimogen plugin, because the chatbot will get many functionalities which did not have before. So if you have more ideas, suggestions for this feature or for any other feature of Aimogen, let me know in the comments of this video. Any suggestion is welcome. Like, share, subscribe this video, and like, share, subscribe. It is really appreciated. It helps me go forward and also learn more English, because it seems that I might need some more English in some cases. But yeah, it's okay. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.